Hello. The analytical service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If necessary, it is possible to pause. We suggest studying all the corporation's indicators more thoroughly. Now we will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company. DoubleDown Interactive, ticker DDI. This review was created using data as of May 17, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company DoubleDown Interactive belongs to the subcategory Leisure Games. 31 companies participate in the comparison. This is quite representative. We will see the decisions on the orders at the end of the video. The result for the company in question is 9.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 0.8 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire US stock market in general, we'll see the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a 9.5 rating for the company DoubleDown Interactive. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, DoubleDown Interactive, and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the company's shares DoubleDown Interactive showed a dynamics of minus 6.1%. 50.6% are against price changes in the subcategory. This does not mean anything definitively, but it is necessary to take this fact into account. Market capitalization of the organization DoubleDown Interactive amounts to $0.5 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $253 billion. DoubleDown Interactive accounts for a share of 0.197%. It is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is estimated at $0.87 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $42 billion. DoubleDown Interactive accounts for a share of 2.084%. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share DoubleDown Interactive in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.197%. The book value is 2.084%, which is 958% more than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $0.035 billion. Financial liabilities to book value represent 4% of the company's equity. The company's debt level rating, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 4.2. With an average for the subcategory of 272.1, this is 98% lower than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $117 million. Future profit for the next 12 months is provisionally estimated at $2,165 million, which is 1,748.7% more than now. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 1.5. The average in the subcategory is 5.1, which is 71% lower than the subcategory average. Evaluation of the stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $340 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $650 million. And this is 91% more than now. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 34.8%, with an average of 1.9% in the subcategory. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 32.9%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.087%. This is 126% less than the market capitalization share. And this reflects the imbalance in the current stock market value of the company. DoubleDown Interactive, probably towards overestimation. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $6,728,000. And for the subcategory, $2,988,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 125.2%. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee is $1,583,800. The average for the subcategory is $11,000. And the difference between the average for the subcategory and the company's indicators is 14,323%. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per individual employee is $4,545,000. Subcategory, $590,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 670%. Evaluation of the company's revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale correspond to 0.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.2%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 50% for the company DoubleDown Interactive. Whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 66%. Technically, the subcategory shares are valued higher than those of DoubleDown Interactive. The company's current stock price is approximately $10.06. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $19.76. The difference between the current price and the consensus forecast is approximately 96%. Let's go to the order table. It's available. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the Stock Evaluation Information and Reference System, DDI. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities, DoubleDown Interactive Information System for Stock Evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a buy order at $10.05 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly high valuation. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 11.97. Stop loss is set at 8.13. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the deal closes automatically at the end of the trading session on June 16, 2025. Or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, RBLX. will become a countervailing sell order. The video on the balance order will be or has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the basic or the balancing one, another order is fixed at the current price. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information system, Guru Markets. You all truly are the most excellent audience.